Show me how you dance. Boink, boink, boink. That's your new bracelet? Is that your Rosh Hashanah bracelet? And your necklace? Wow, so pretty.
Daddy.
Where's Daddy?
Oh, Daddy, bye.
He went bye-bye?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you give him a sticker? You gave him one of your Minnie Mouse stickers? Where's a sticker? Show me. Show me one of your stickers. Mini sticker? Are you wearing any stickers on your shirt?
Daddy.
Daddy has the stickers?
Daddy, sticker.
Come here, show me your bracelet. Can you show me your bracelet? Wow, it's so beautiful. And your necklace?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, wow. And your slippers? Can I see your Minnie Mouse slippers? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love them. Do you like them? Yeah. Okay. Both minis. Mini bow. Mini bow. Wow. Okay. Can you blow a kissy? Bye-bye.